Let's discuss bathroom gadgets. All gadgets links in comment and description. Let's start the video. Say goodbye to clogged sinks and hello to a hassle-free bathroom experience with the Muiola Universal 2-in-1 Bathroom Sink Stopper. This genius little gadget does it all. Just a push of a button and it acts as a plug to hold water or a strainer to catch hair and debris while allowing water to drain rapidly. It fits 99% of standard bathroom sink drains, 1.06 minus 1.65, and installs in seconds. No tools or plumbers required. The sleek chrome-finished copper design not only resists rust, but adds a touch of elegance to your sink. Cleaning is a breeze, too. Just disassemble and rinse. No more frustration over clogged drains, and no more scrubbing with outdated rubber stoppers. Pros: 2-in-1 function, stopper and strainer. Easy tool-free installation, rust-proof and sleek design. Effective at catching hair and preventing clogs. Fits most U.S. bathroom sinks. Cons: not compatible with non-standard sink sizes. Frequent cleaning required for optimal performance. Next, the Topmar 25 PCS Clear Plastic Drawer Organizers Set. Your ultimate solution for chaos-free living. This 25-piece set comes with 4 versatile sizes, allowing you to mix and match for your bathroom, kitchen, bedroom, or office. Imagine makeup, utensils, jewelry, or craft supplies perfectly organized and easy to find. No more cluttered chaos. The transparent plastic design means you can instantly see what's inside, while the included non-slip silicone pads ensure everything stays in place. Plus, these bins are stackable and easy to clean, making them both practical and space-saving. Pros: 25 bins in 4 sizes for customizable organization. Transparent design for quick access to items. Stackable, durable, and non-slip with silicone pads. Perfect for various uses like makeup, utensils, or office supplies. Easy to clean and store. Cons: may require extra bins for larger items. Non-slip pads need careful application for maximum effectiveness. Next, Ozialo Bath Pillow, your ultimate bath time companion. This ergonomically designed pillow features extra thick padding to perfectly support your tired neck and back, turning any tub into a personal spa. Its soft, breathable 4D mesh fabric dries quickly, so it's always fresh and ready for your next soak. 6 non-slip suction cups keep it firmly in place, while the washable design with a convenient hook makes cleaning and storage effortless. Whether you're unwinding after a long day or treating yourself to self-care, this bath pillow transforms ordinary baths into moments of sheer bliss. Pros: thick, ergonomic padding for head, neck, and back support. Fast-drying, breathable 4D air mesh fabric. 6 powerful non-slip suction cups for stability. Easy to clean, machine washable with a mesh bag. Fits most tubs, spas, and hot tubs. Cons: may not provide the same comfort for very tall users. Suction cups may require occasional reattachment on textured surfaces. Next, lever lock razor holder for shower. A small but mighty gadget that makes your life easier and your bathroom tidier. With a quick 1-second installation, no tools or drilling required, these powerful suction cup hooks hold up to 11 pounds each, keeping your razors, towels, and loofahs organized and within reach. Designed with drainage holes, they stay clean and dry, so no more ponding water or slimy razor handles. Plus, they're versatile enough to use in your kitchen, bedroom, or anywhere you need some extra storage. It's the perfect combination of simplicity, durability, and practicality that adds a touch of elegance to your home. Pros: effortless 1-second, damage-free installation. Durable suction cups hold up to 11 pounds each. Self-draining design keeps items clean and dry. Versatile for razors, towels, loofahs, keys, and more. Reusable and relocatable for convenience. Cons: only compatible with smooth, non-porous surfaces. May require occasional reattachment in humid conditions. Next, X-Liter Shower Speaker. The ultimate waterproof Bluetooth speaker that brings crystal clear sound and powerful bass right into your bathroom. This mini yet mighty gadget is not just IPX7 certified waterproof. It can even float in your bathtub or pool, making it perfect for showers, beach days, and pool parties. With a compact design and a suction cup for easy mounting, it's built for convenience. The 5W audio output delivers distortion-free, room-filling sound, and with up to 12 hours of playtime, you can enjoy endless music, podcasts, or calls. Pros: certified IPX7 waterproof, even floats on water. 3D digital sound with enhanced bass for high-quality audio. Compact, portable design with a strong suction cup. Long-lasting battery. 12 hours of continuous playtime. 3-year warranty ensures peace of mind. Cons: suction cup might not stick well on rough surfaces. Maximum volume volume may not suffice for outdoor parties. That's awesome and superb, bro. Next, Katamco Original Toilet Timer. The hilarious yet functional solution that's as practical as it is entertaining. As seen on Shark Tank, this quirky gadget is the perfect gift for dads, husbands, sons, or anyone guilty of endless bathroom breaks. Its unique sand timer runs for exactly 5 minutes, sending a clear, cheeky message. Get in, do your business, and get out. Whether it's for Christmas, birthdays, or even as a hilarious white elephant gift, this timer guarantees laughs and better time management. Plus, with sturdy construction and a 360-degree reset mechanism, it's as reliable as it is amusing. Pros: perfectly timed at 5 minutes to encourage quicker bathroom breaks. Unique and funny, ideal for gifting on any occasion. Sturdy build with a clever 360-degree reset feature. Featured on Shark Tank and loved by many. Cons: might not be suitable for those who need extra time in the restroom. Its humor might not land with more serious personalities. Next, 2-pack Damp Clean Duster Sponge, a magic cleaning tool that turns dreaded chores into a breeze. Imagine effortlessly sweeping away dust, hair, and even stubborn stains without any flying debris. Thanks to its upgraded 23 U-shaped groove design, this sponge is a champion at tackling baseboards, blinds, mirrors, railings, and those hard-to-reach nooks and crannies. Made with high-density sponge material, its incredible water absorption and dust-trapping powers make it feel like cleaning magic in your hands. Whether it's a last-minute spill or a long-overdue deep clean, this gadget will leave your home spotless with minimal effort. Pros: versatile and effective on various surfaces like glass, wood, and stone. The 23 U-shaped groove design fits perfectly into tight spaces for thorough cleaning. High water absorption and dust-trapping power make it efficient and mess-free. Lightweight, durable, and easy to use. Cons: requires soaking before each use to maximize its cleaning power. May not be as effective on heavy-duty grease or caked on grime. Next, Toy Light Toilet Bowl Night Light. Imagine waking up in the middle of the night and being greeted by a soft, colorful glow guiding you to your toilet. No more blinding bathroom lights ruining your sleep. With its motion sensor and 8 vibrant color modes, this little gadget transforms your toilet into a fun, futuristic beacon. Plus, it's super easy to install, universally fits any toilet, and is hygienically designed for daily use. Whether it's a quirky gift or a personal treat, this innovative nightlight adds charm and practicality to your bathroom routine. Pros: motion sensor ensures light activates only when needed, conserving energy. Multiple color modes for customization and a touch of fun. Easy to install and universally compatible with all toilets. Hygienic, waterproof, and durable design. Cons: requires 3 AAA batteries, which are not included. Brightness may not suit those preferring minimal light during sleep. Next, Audeln Crevice Cleaning Brush, a game changer for spotless homes. Its upgraded triangular design and durable materials tackle the dirtiest gaps in your windows, floors, bathrooms, kitchens, and even cars with precision. Say goodbye to grime in tight spaces. This multifunctional cleaning tool is lightweight, easy to use, and comes in a pack of 6, enough for every nook and cranny. Whether it's the grooves of your window tracks or the corners of your shower, this brush makes cleaning faster and more satisfying. Because a clean home isn't just a chore, it's a vibe. Pros: ergonomic design with a triangular head for precision cleaning. High-quality, durable materials ensure long-term use. Versatile for various surfaces: kitchen, bathroom, car, and more. Compact and lightweight for effortless handling. Cons: may require more effort on heavily built-up grime. Handle could be longer for deeper gaps. Next, Sophie and Panda Fuzzy Ball Towels. The cutest, most convenient way to dry your hands. These adorable white and gray ball-shaped towels are made with an innovative water-absorbent material that dries your hands almost instantly. Plus, their playful design is a conversation starter, whether in your bathroom or kitchen. Perfect for homes, spas, or even schools. These towels bring both charm and practicality to any space. They're not just towels, they're happiness wrapped in fuzzy fabric. Pros: unique and stylish design adds flair to your home. Super absorbent material dries hands instantly. Versatile for bathrooms, kitchens, gyms, and more. Easy to hang and clean with attached hangers. Cons: small size may not suit larger drying needs. Fuzzy design might not appeal to minimalists. That's enough for today. Share your thoughts in comments about this video and must subscribe for more videos. Let's meet in these videos. Be happy and stay safe.